Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G51 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter gestures, and as you can see on the second position we've got system navigation, so let's tap. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got 3-button navigation, which is of course applied, so we've got 3 different buttons responsible for getting back, going to the home page and entering the recent, and we can switch it to the gesture navigation just by tapping on it. And as you can see, of course, here we've got the animation, how it works, and instead of the buttons we've got this line which will allow us to, for example, come back to the home page. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on this settings icon, and here you can change the sensitivity of the back function, back gesture. So it means that if you will set the left edge low, then only, you know, the smaller area will be responsible for responding for your touches. And of course, if you will set high, as you can see, this bluish color was higher and wider a little bit, it means that your device will be more sensitive to your touches. I will leave it like this. Of course, if you want to, you can customize it. So now let me show you how those gestures will work. So if you would like to get back, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of the screen. It doesn't really matter from which corner, which side. So it can be from the left side, as you can see, we just got back, and from the right side as well. If you want to get back to the home page, you have to swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, from the middle, and as you can see, we are on the home page. And here we can also enter the recents. You have to do the same motion as in getting back to the home page, but make it slower and hold the finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, here we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to change the navigation type in your MOTOROLA Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.